Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaC Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop down below if you're interested in checking it out. Also, I will link our freebie for this month so you can grab it. What are we doing today? Well, we're going to do some more savings challenges. I've got the savings challenge book, and I had to make a choice. Now, I was thinking, spend this money. I don't know, it's that time of year where, everything looks like, oh, that, I could use that. I want that. I want this. I said, let me just stop, because that's not where we're at right now. I need to take care of business. I have some goals coming up in 2025. I've got to stay focused. And while spending it sounds amazing, I am giving myself an opportunity to spend some money later, so I want to just enjoy saving right now. Okay, we are stuffing $20, $25, $30, $31, $32, $33, $34. $34 today is what we're stuffing. And I have my player's card and my IOU, just in case. I'm not even certain I have change anywhere for $20. So I think the best thing to do is to just get going, get started here, and then I'll have to figure out the rest. That's where I'm at. This is my binder for my Freebie Friday. Now, my Freebie Friday is a combination of freebies from our shop, from S&C Budget Creations, as well as freebies I got from other channels. I will let you know where I got these savings challenges from. I'm not even close to completing any, but that's okay. What we'll do is, I did add 2 more savings challenges. We have 8 here. We're just going to shuffle these cards. And I think what we should do, I think we should just put two cards on each envelope. Yeah, that's gonna be tough. I have no idea how I'm gonna make this work with a $20 bill. So let's just be straight up. Okay. We have $5 going into our Love and Light from Neen's Budget. So we'll try to get through this, though, at least one round, and then figure out what we're going to do after that. $5 already. $5. And this savings challenge now has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Okay. Set these off to the side. The next savings challenge we have is Peace of Mind Savings from Budgeting BZ. I've been so excited for this savings challenge. It's so pretty. Okay, what are we going to put into $2? Okay, 1, 2. It's a solid start, right? I was thinking of actually coloring these in nicely, and since there's only 2, so pretty. Okay, $2. This one needs some more. Alright, and the next savings challenge was a holiday freebie from S&C Budget Creations. And let's see what we're adding here. $5. Of course we're adding 5. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so not looking good on getting some change, so this is going to be interesting. Okay. Next up is my Zen Frog from Savings with Tracy. So cute. Let's see, this savings challenge is getting $5. Okay, so this is the part where I was concerned, because I don't have the funds here. And I don't think any of them are quite ready to give up 20. Let me see what I can do. Be right back. Okay, I found $20. Not once, but we should be able to break this down a little bit easier. So let's just grab that 5, this one, $5. And let's fill it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Now this savings challenge has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So let's just take, oh, need to leave 1. 5s, 1, take this 10, and 11. All right, so because I'm running low on funds here, I'm not certain if I should just flip one card for the rest, because I have a few more dollars, but that is supposed to be going to my next savings challenge cash stuffing. So let's just flip one card for now. Skip or double. Oh, misfortune, flip again and add 2, so that's $3. Okay. This is $3. Skip or double. That's $6 into the savings challenge. Will I have enough money for the rest of my savings challenges? Let's just do it. We're using purple on 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, okay. Okay, $6. This is the savings challenge from S&C Budget Creations. We had it as a freebie for the back to school in September. Let's see here. Next up is the Harmony Savings Challenge from S&C Budget Creations. This one actually was for the month of October. And let's see here. Should we do 1 or 2? 1 or 2? Let's do 2. Ugh. Okay. So it says flip again and add 3. All right. So that's already 5. Plus whatever this is. Take 3 back and add it to the pile. Okay. So that helps us with the misfortune. So we're back down to 2. Okay. Okay. Now, should I flip again or leave it at 2? I think I'm going to leave it at 2. Because we took away the 3. Okay. We're leaving it at 2. 1, 2. Not as brave as I thought I was going to be today. Alright, so now with this savings challenge, we have $2, $4, $5, $6. So let's go ahead and take. Alright. Perfect. So this savings challenge I did get in an email, a special gift from Jessie Stuffing 5230. She emailed me. I did mention if you have savings challenges that you want me to add into rotation. I'm not certain when you're actually going to see them on my YouTube channel, but especially if you send me a gift, I'm going to definitely get them in there some type of way, regardless of, you know, timing. I will work on it. And I thought this was so cool. It reminds me of Colorado a lot. However, I don't have a lot of money. So I think what we'll do is... should we flip 1 or let's flip 1. $2. Okay. That gets us started, right? I'm just not brave enough to. All right. And I want to give you a special shout out. Thank you so much, Jessie Stuffing 5230. That was really thoughtful of you to send me the savings challenge. I thought that was really awesome. Okay. So we have $2. So cool. Okay. And the next one was a gift as well. We received it in our Etsy, and this one's from Choose Life Budgets. And I was like, oh, okay, well, this is perfect because I can add in the gift, since I decided I was going to add 2 more savings challenges to my binder, which is wild. I cannot believe I decided to do that. Cool. Okay. Especially because even though I'm stuffing more money right now, I mean, it may not always be that way, but right now I'm able to do so. It makes me a little nervous. Okay. Should we flip 1 card, or you know what? Let's flip 2 because I'm brave. $4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm really not all that brave, but look at that. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! Okay, so we made it 1 round, which is great. That's wonderful. I feel like huge progress already taking place there. All right, now we have $3, and I'm not certain if I should pull or if I should I'm going to pull it. I'm going to pull it because I have my IOU. I say this every time, even though I don't want to use my IOU, right? What did I say? Come on, 3. Come on, 3. Come on, 3. There's a 3. Or 2 or 1. Or 2 or 1. What is that, guys? This happened to me a couple times. It's meant to be. So I'm not stressed out, and I can enjoy this to the umpth degree, because that is so cool to be putting this last $3 in there without an IOU. Yes. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, that is so incredible. My heart just dropped because I'm like, oh, and I know I can add the money at a later time, but you know, it's just nice to not have an IOU. $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, $11, $12 is what we have in the 11 Light Savings Challenge. Oh my goodness. So we've gone ahead and stuffed all of our cash. We made it through one round. I think what we'll do is we will move Neen's budgets to the back. Just because we did stuff her twice today. Sorry, I'm just chatting because these envelopes are giving me a hard time. I'm not certain they liked where they were before, I guess. Anyways, you guys, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks for stopping by. Bye, guys.